Hello! This morning we looked at ways of melting ice.
We're putting salt onto the ice to see if it will melt quicker.
Okay.
It's not melting. It's not melting.
Is it not? But do you think it might? It might melt.
It's melting quicker.
It's melting slow. I know, we can use a bowl.
Yes, I think that might be a good idea. Why don't you try that? Would you like to try that?
Yeah, it's actually melting very quick.
I think it's working a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Let's use another
What do you think it might be doing to the ice? Do you think it might be changing?
So it's actually drying the ice, in other words, it's sort of like, yeah.
Well, what's happening to the ice? Is it changing the texture of the ice? Did you touch the ice before we put salt on it?
Oh no, I can feel the ice. It's like bumpy.
Is it bumpy?
It's salt like,
So, do you think the salt has made it bumpy?
yeah,
And it's made it quite jagged, don't you think?
yeah.
Thank you for watching Toddler and Earlier STEM. Please stay tuned for next week's session. Goodbye!